Hello, I'm Budi Handiana. Will provide knowledge about cleaning mirror glass. So please subscribe, share, and like my video. Preparation. Provide hand gloves, bottle sprayer, glass cleaner, Scotch Brite, chimneys, window wiper, and bucket. This is the tool. First, pour the water into the bucket. Take the glass cleaner and pour into the bucket filled with the water and put the glass cleaner back. Use hand gloves to protect us from chemical. I'm really sorry. I use the makeshift equipment that I have at home because the situation is locked down. Okay, take the Scotch Brite and the bottle sprayer. Perform cleaning by spraying a glass cleaner on the window that we will clean, and then rub with Scotch Brite on the window if there are stubborn stain. Pour the glass cleaner that has been sprayed on the window using a glass wiper. Clean the glass wiper that has been using by using a chemist. Let the window dry. That's it. Thank you.